Man, what is the dealio, y'all? Today we got straight banger. I have a great lesson for you guys, great trade, and it's a great day to it's a great way to finish off the week, all right? So if you made money in the stock market today, then let me know in the comments. If you've been doing anything that we've been talking about, let me know in the comments, all right? Be sure to like this video and we're gonna get into it. So first off, first things first, we're gonna talk about a rinse and repeat. All right. And then I want to break down this first. Percentage matters more than the dollar amount. All right. I really want you to understand this. The percentage matters more than the dollar amount. All right. So if you get in a trade and you invest $100 and you make back 50%, let's say you make $50 on that $100 in profit, that is a 50% trade. What that means is if you put in $1,000, you'll make $500 back. All right. So understand that when you're trading, percentage matters more than a dollar amount. So sometimes you can see somebody made $50 and you'd be like, that ain't a lot, that ain't nothing. But it's because you don't understand the percentage, right? You can make 20% on a play in 2 minutes, and it could only be $40, and you'd be like, that ain't a lot. But if you would have invested more money, that 40% could have been $400 in 2 minutes. So when you're trading and you want to become profitable, I would really say pay attention to the percentage more than the dollar amount, because that could psych you out. All right. Super, super important. And the next thing is when you're trading, every day ain't going to look the same. We fall in love with making, 30, 40, 50% on one trade, 800% on a trade, 100% on a trade. But I want you to understand that if you get 8% trades, that is better than 20% trade. Hear what I'm saying. Don't overlook the small numbers. All right. Don't overlook the $80, the 120, the 90, because that stuff adds up, right? Because if you invest however many dollars in your account and you make 8% on 4 trades, what's 8 times 4? That's 32% on your money rather than chasing that 120% trade, right? So sometimes you may have 5 trades on a day, 20 here, 90 here, 110 here, but it'll still add up to $300, $400. Some days you may have a straight banger and you make 350, 500 on one trade. It just depends. But this is how you become profitable, right? Stay in the green. Stay in the green, please. All right. So before we got into the trade of the day, I wanted to touch on that because that's how you really become profitable. All right. Stop chasing a dollar amount and stop chasing 100% trades. Focus on the base hits. The base hits are going to lead you to your grand slams. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to break down this Robinhood play. All right. So we rinsed and repeated. We did almost the exact same thing from yesterday. But before, I want to show you this right here. All right. So this is what we did. So every day we come out, we got a watch list tab, right? And so we have a watch list tab. And then what we do is we give the levels. So I gave NVIDIA, Meta, and Robinhood, right? I said NVIDIA, this was the play on NVIDIA. NVIDIA did exactly what I said it was going to do today. I did not play NVIDIA. Meta, I said I was looking for a continuation. Meta right now is at 736. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. All right. Robinhood, it did exactly what I said it was going to do. So let's look at this. I said I'm looking for a rinse and repeat. If Robinhood drops below 61.25, they are filling the gap to the downside of 56.58. If it bounces off, then it's going to 64.20 and then 66.27 to retest all-time highs. All right. So that's the play that I called in the Discord. All right. I just want to show you that. And so then we waited and we hit Robinhood. I got in Robinhood twice today. All right. So check this out. Yesterday, I made 130 on Robinhood. Today, I made 138 on Robinhood, right? Now, The first trade was a call. They were both called. There were no one was a call, one was a put. The first call I got in, I got 6 contracts. Spent 150. It was like $900, and then I sold for 165. So each contract made $15 times 6. The next play, it was a put off a reversal. I got 5 contracts. I invested $500, and then I made $10 on each contract, which was another $50. Now watch this. The reason why I went light in my trades today is because it was Friday. I did not want to give profits back to the market if the play went sour, right? And this is why percentages matter, because it's not about the dollar amount. It's about what percentage are you growing your account, right? The dollars are going to come if you focus on the percentages. So I got in Robinhood twice and we made 138. So think about it. Yesterday, I did one trade and I made 130. Today, I did 2 trades and I made 138. It's only $8, but it's the principle of $8 over time more goes a long way. All right. This is how you become profitable. Stop focusing on numbers. Because if I take 4 to 5 trades a day and each trade I make 150, 200, 8, 10%, what does that mean? That means I'm making $500 to $700 a day. Right. So that's what I want you guys to understand. I keep it very humble on these videos. All right, so now that's the Robinhood trade of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on the charts and we're going to break it down. All right, so let's go. All right, as you can see, we got Hood. All right, so this play was very simple. All I did was I got in. So number one, Robinhood closed yesterday at 63.82. All right, yesterday's resistance was right here, okay? So I want you to look at this. Yesterday, Robinhood came right here and then it went up, right? So this was support. This little range was support. So all I did was today, I waited for Robinhood to come down to support. It didn't go as low. It was a little bit higher. And then I ended up getting in on this candle right here, all right? I got in a little too early, honestly. I should have waited maybe like 2 to 3 minutes longer. I would have got a better price for my entry, right? But I got in right here, right, on this one, all right? I was in on this candle, and then I got out right here once it was testing the VWAP. Because when it hit this VWAP right here, I thought it was a fake breakout, and it was about to reverse back here. And so I ended up getting filled, and I took my profits. Right? So that one right there, that was my exit. All right? So entry, and exit. All right? Now, obviously, we could see it kept going up. So the thing about it is I was already up 10, 11%. I was okay with that, right? Because I like to secure profits incrementally. I don't chase big trades today. And also, if I'm being honest, I like making sure that the chat secures profits as well. We don't chase big plays, right? I should have just sold a couple contracts and let my runners run, but I didn't do that because I thought it was a rejection. Because it was wicking off of this. It was hitting this VWAP and it wasn't breaking through. So I thought it was going to reject, and that's why I got out. But obviously we see it went back up. All right. So then later on, I saw it get up here. All right. So we're going to entry number 1, exit number 1. And then what we did was I saw it right here rejecting, right? This was resistance, but it rejected off of this right here. Now, this candle, I tried to get in right here. I couldn't get filled. I got filled about right here. Now, what do I always say on rejections? It's going to come and test the EMA. What did it do? It came down and it tested the EMA. All I did was I got in right here, and then I wrote it down to the EMA, and I got out. So my entry right here was my entry, and my exit was right here. All right. So my entry was right here, and my exit was right here. All right. Boom. And that was another 10, 11% play, right? So I tried to get filled in right here. It just was moving too fast. And so I gave a little bit of money. I didn't give money back, but I could have made more money if I got in earlier, but I was just being I was being careful, right? So I'm not mad at another 11% play on this right here because 11% is 11%, right? So I was able to make over 20% on my money today in the stock market. And these are just two plays. I took a couple more, right? But I'm talking about Robinhood because I want to show you the rinse and repeat. The rinse and repeat is it came down here yesterday. It went up to this support level, right? So let's look at this. We're going to do this right here. I'm going to show y'all something. Right here, right here, we got a support level. You see that right there? I'm gonna make it big for y'all. This right here is a Robinhood support level. So whenever the stock comes down here, as long as it doesn't go below, it's gonna come back up. And as you can see, that's what it did today, and it did it yesterday as well, right? If we go to the day before, it didn't have this. It broke through this was resistance over here. It broke above, and now it's support, and now it's in this range right here, right? So you can trade Robinhood on Monday, and you do the exact same thing. You get what I'm saying? So that's where we're at with that, and that's how we hit Robinhood today. And as you can see, if we go in the chat, let's go to the profits tab. Let's go to the profits tab. All right. All day today. Right? This is all day today. We got in, boom. Hood, she hit for 60, 50, 22, 19, 24, 78, 52 on Robinhood, another Robinhood 76. She hit 42% on Nvidia. $5 on Amazon, $28 on Amazon, 11% on Amazon, Meta, 70, right? So really, like we doing our thing over here on an everyday basis. This is Hood, made over $100 today. He did what, 223 today, right? So we got the receipts and stuff, man. But I just want you to see that we plan our trades and then we trade the plan, right? We ain't out here just doing a whole bunch of random stuff. We plan our trades the night before, and then we go execute, and we execute flawlessly, right? And that's how we stay profitable. All right. So don't get caught up in the numbers. Focus on the percentage, and when you focus on the percentage, you're gonna end up making more money because you're gonna be a lot more disciplined. All right. So that's how we rinse and repeat it on Robinhood today. We ran it back. And on Monday, on Tuesday, we're going to do something very similar once we see what the market talking about. All right. So that's how we getting down every single day. That's the trade of the day. I'm going live on later on today at 5:30. On Sunday, I'll probably go live, and also on Monday for the watch list also. All right. So be sure to tap in, tune in, like this video, comment. I appreciate you guys' time. And always remember, get out of your head and get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Peace.